was just a girl in a small town ring, dreaming big dreams, ready for anything. Sneakers on my feet, sweat in my hair. With every slam and shout, I felt the air. Late nights in the gym, the crowd roars high. I'm a songbird soaring, ready to fly. Every bruise a badge, I wear them proud. With a heart so fierce, I drown out the crowd. I'm wrestling my heart out, chasing the light. Ambition's my anthem, I'll never lose sight. Confidence rising like stars in the night. Desire in my soul, I'm ready to fight. Memories flood back of my first big match. Nerves in my belly till I found my catch. You were in the front row, cheering my name. In that moment I knew I could stake my claim. You believed in me through every fall. With your love as my power, I'll conquer it all. We're building our dreams one round at a time. With each step I take, I'm writing my line. I'm wrestling my heart out, chasing the light. Ambition's my anthem, I'll never lose sight. Confidence rising like stars in the night. Desire in my soul, I'm ready to fight now. I'm ready to fight. From the shadows I've grown into my own. With every grappling move, I've never felt alone. Your love's my foundation, it keeps me so strong. Together we'll rise where we both belong. I'm wrestling my heart out, chasing the light. Ambition's my anthem, I'll never lose sight. Confidence rising like stars in the night. Desire in my soul, I'm ready to fight. Well, here's to the battles, the pain and the thrill. With you by my side, there's nothing I can't build. The songbird is singing, her story unfolds. In this ring of ambition, our love never grows old. I'm ready to fight. So here's to the battles, the pain and the thrill. With you by my side, there's nothing I can't build. The songbird is singing, her story unfolds. In this ring of ambition, our love never grows old.